Hi, this is the Pixel tab and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So first let's open the Movie Search application and switch AID to the HardReset to AID. Select here one from the available tabs, tap to apply. We could change the backgrounds, we could just swipe to the up or to the down to change them, tap the apply button. If you want to hide music controls after 10 seconds or just don't hide them, slide to the left or to the right this white dot. In notifications section, we could show notifications and calendar, just date by use the switchers, and in battery section, we could show battery status always while device charging or never. Go back, tap to the X icon, switch AID to the settings, tap to always on display. Here we got the switcher with which you could activate or turn off AID option to show it on screen lock always while charging on music. Also we could use them separately or together, and we could decrease or increase the brightness level from 30 to 100% to change the AID timeout from 5 seconds to never, to also change the timeout of low power after, to change the screen orientation, to close it by double or single tap on the lock screen, and to close it on fingerprint if you use fingerprint unlock method, and close it on screen off. So that's it. That's how to customize AID option on our Pixel tab. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.